Let me tell you why you're here. You're here because you know something. What you know you can't explain. But you feel it. I'm trying to free your mind.
Today's news coming directly from the U.S. Department of Defense. AI Security Center to open at National Security Agency. The National Security Agency Director, Army General Paul M. Nakasone, I don't know how you say that, today announced the creation of a new entity to oversee the development and integration of artificial intelligence capabilities within U.S. national security systems. AI Security Center will become the focal point for developing best practices, evaluation methodology, and risk networks with the aim of promoting the secure adoption of new AI capabilities across the national security enterprise and a defense industrial base. The AI Security Center will work closely with U.S. industry, national labs, academia, Harvard, MIT, I'm guessing, across the intelligence community and the Department of Defense and select foreign partners. Nakasone said during a discussion hosted by the National Press Club in Washington, said he also added that unique talent and expertise at the NSA makes the agency well suited to support the government's efforts to ensure U.S. maintains its competitive edge in AI. Now, back in January of this year, the Defense Department updated its 2012 directive that governs the responsible development of autonomous weapon systems to the standards aligned with the advances in artificial intelligence, and said in 2020 the department also published its responsible AI strategy and implementation pathway, which serves as a key example of U.S. leadership in promoting responsible stewardship of the rapidly emerging technology. And it says the U.S. has also introduced a political declaration on the responsible military use of artificial intelligence, which further seeks to codify norms for the responsible use of the technology. Now, they said Nakasone, who also commands U.S. Cyber Command and serves as the Chief of Central Security Service, warns that it is critical the U.S. maintain its leadership in AI as technology matures, because we don't want big bad China beating us. So it says AI will be increasingly consequential for national security in diplomatic, technological, and economic matters for our country and our allies and partners. It said today, U.S. leads the area, but this lead should be not taken for granted. Our adversaries, who have for decades used theft and exploitation of our intellectual property to advance their interests, will seek to co-opt our advances in AI and corrupt our application of it. Ah, yes, the United States has never done any of this. Not at all. But let's continue. He says it is imperative that the NSA sets a clear path forward to address both the opportunities and challenges of AI as industry rockets toward with innovation. AI security is about protecting AI systems from learning, doing, and revealing the wrong thing. What constitutes as the wrong thing in the NSA's eyes, I wonder. It says, we must build a robust understanding of AI vulnerabilities, foreign intelligence threats to these AI systems, and ways to encounter the threat in order to have AI security, he said. We must also ensure that malicious foreign actors can't steal America's innovative AI capabilities to do so. Again, I ask if AI security is about protecting AI systems. How can you protect it if you do not give it the opportunity to learn on its own? And again, I ask, what is the wrong thing? Is it the wrong political bias? Is it the wrong information? What is it? I would like to know what the NSA's definition of correct AI is. But let me know in the comments what you think about this. Again, this is from the U.S. Department of Defense. It looks like the NSA is opening an AI security center to stop our big bad Chinese guys, Russians, whatever you want to call it, from using it to destroy us all. They would rather they use it to do it other than countries get to us first, or what, I don't know. But if you're watching this on Rumble, Odyssey, and YouTube, I greatly appreciate it. Thank you and take care.